When giants bleed, the ground shakes. This isn't a normal hunt. This is war between skill and strategy. Two lions, fueled by instinct, hunger, and power, take on one of nature's most towering creatures, the giraffe. It's not speed versus speed, it's leverage versus height. Fangs versus hooves. Bone-breaking jaws versus core-cracking kicks. A single stomp from a giraffe can kill a lion, but lions know the blueprint. Cling to the flank, avoid the legs, bring it down with weight and will. This movement captures the wild's most poetic truth. Even kings have to earn their crown every single day. Shout out to Mother Nature.